Boomage.
Hi guys.
Done driving.
For
the day anyways. But yeah, we have found a little jewel in the now. No, I'm just saying we found a nice little spot right here. If you can see right behind us, the lake, and I don't know what lake it's called right now.
What? Do you even know where we're at? Are we still in?
We are in. I'll just say right now, I don't even know what town, county or whatever, but it is southeast Tennessee, right on the border before Georgia, I believe it is.
Yeah.
So yeah, cozy, nice. I'll show you the campsite here in just a minute. Clean. We do have water and electric hookups if we need. And it wasn't that bad. $27.
Yeah.
Tax and all. Peace of mind to know that we're safe and somewhere that we can relax and sleep.
And it's a trusting thing, because you can like here it's.
That's what I was saying. It's safe.
Yeah.
Yeah. But heck yeah. So we'll show you around. Yeah. Yeah. Cynthia's down there going to be putting up some groceries.
Yeah.
But
this is the most important thing.
yeah, but I'm showing them camp. Okay, not the pee bucket. This is our camp.
It has to do with camp.
And it's pretty clean, you know. I like it so very much. Denver does too. These awesome pines right here, y'all. Awesome pines.
Boy, look at the sign. You want to read it? It says bark ranger, dog library, and take a stick, leave a stick.
It's peaceful, ain't it?
I love it.
Yeah, it's nice here, guys.
It's a different kind of pretty than last night.
Yeah.
Don't you think?
Oh yeah, totally different. Totally different, and that's what we love about this, y'all. We are out on the open road, showing y'all, taking y'all, and showing you all these beautiful places we've never seen before. And I'd say y'all probably hadn't either. But if you have, you know, let us know in the comments how y'all enjoyed the stay. Because so far so good for C&C.
Yeah. Yeah, get you some of that, baby. And everybody knows what this is. It's our shower / poop bathroom. Perfect.
Okay, Boomage. We are set up. We are set up.
I found what we need, guys.
Oh, she's out here collecting some.
I'm collecting some fire starters.
Well, firewood.
Yeah.
Oh, look here. I think I know what he sees, y'all. I'll show you. Right there is what Bubba sees. Got a big pre-fire going right here. Cynthia is out collecting sticks. Boomage, yeah, right there she is getting some more sticks. We're gonna have us a daggone little campfire, C&C style, on the road, y'all. I think and also gonna go into the yurt forecast. Got cloudy skies, a little bit of sun peeking through, but I think there's some rain coming for the night. And it's about 54 degrees right now. And that is your yurt forecast. Yeah, baby, you all right?
Hey, y'all. I didn't exercise.
Hey, I think we got enough to get us a fire.
Look here.
Heck yeah. And I showed them the pre-fire, so let's get this thing started. get this lit. Let's get this lit.
Can I light it?
Well, I just lit it, but
Because guess what, guys? I do what I want. And I say what I want. Hope everybody's having a good
I believe it's gonna.
time.
I lit it, and it looks like it's gonna do good.
Let's see if I can light one up.
And if you didn't know, pine cones is a real good fire starter.
Woohoo! Look at this.
Yeah. Heck yeah. And check it out, guys. You are now free to move about the country. Yeah.
One, two. That's what my man taught me, is how to put creamer in my coffee.
Well, you need a little more creamer than that.
If you don't have sugar, this is what you do. Come here, baby. Let me see your finger. You
Oh, and you're gonna burn it?
Go like that.
Ow.
That's what you do, guys.
Gotta get it that pretty color. Yeah. Yeah. Got our coffee, and look here. Got the fire.
Oh my gosh, you know what we forgot?
What?
Cheers. And guess
Yeah.
what? You're supposed to have my cup. And I'm supposed
No,
to have
we don't
yours.
do that.
Okay, here.
We don't do that.
We do that.
No, that's hot coffee. Quit. Jesus Christ.
And in Okinawa, Japan, you guys, the more you slurp, it tastes better.
That's right.
Watch this. This is how they do. And when I growed up, watch.
With coffee, they did?
Everything they put in their mouth. If it was good,
Everything they
you
put in-
smack or you...
That's right.
I love this fire.
It's pretty.
It's pretty, isn't it, baby?
Yeah. Sure is.
Bubby, how you like it, boy?
Denver got to see some deer.
Look.
So,
Look.
there's Denver. There's Denver.
That's our baby boy, Bubby.
Yeah, so he was barking at the deer. Boomage, guys.
Yeah, guys.
It is nighttime, bedtime, and I believe Denver's ready to go to bed. He's tired.
He's whining.
He's whining. He's worn out from the road. So we will see y'all in the morning.
In the morning.
That's right. Yeah. Are you tired, Mr. Buddy? Get back.
Get back.
Are you tired?
You tired?
All right. Yeah. He's tired.
Lay down, night.
Making his bed. Boomage, good morning, everybody.
Yeah, good morning,
And
everybody.
listen, everybody.
What's it doing?
The sound of, yeah, I turned the heater off. We slept good, great. No heat, and then this morning I got up, turned our little heater on. And there's our toilet, yeah, you seen. Hey, that's the real life, buddy, out here camping, truck camping to be exact. But yeah, we've had a great day. Great day being here. Sorry guys, I just woke up. Great night, and yeah.
Baby.
And it's raining. It's supposed to rain all dang day.
You remember that song?
We gotta go. We gotta go. What song?
It's raining.
Okay,
it's
see that.
pouring.
I ain't in Bondycroft no more. I ain't in Bondycroft no more.
Y'all remember that song?
Anyways, I don't know if we're staying another night or not, guys. It's raining, and I don't know. So y'all stay tuned in. But we've had an awesome night so far at this place. Yeah. Y'all have a good one. Peace out. Love you guys. Yeah.
Don't ever give up, you guys. You're so special and you're so worth. And don't forget,
That's right.
you've got a beautiful purpose.
That's right.
I promise.
That's right, everybody.
So, guys, that being said, love you, guys. Bring it close so I can kiss them.
Boom. Yeah, there you go, everybody. So, yeah, we got to go.
Yeah.
It's checkout time.